All right, let's jump into the news of the week and see what Max thinks of some of these stories.
Right, so as anyone who's paid attention to mobility field day knows, Celona is the king of private 5G. Node have announced that Google Cloud will integrate Celona 5G LAN into their private cellular network solution running on Google Distributed Cloud, Edge, GDC Edge actually. So, what kind of company is looking to implement this technology?
Well, if you're scratching your head and saying, I don't know what GDC Edge or Celona or Private 5G is, you're not alone. These are probably not the solutions for you. But if you run a big campus and have lots of industrial IoT across many, many different sites, and you're trying to move into the cloud or environment, you know very well what GDC Edge is, and you've probably considered private 5G. Essentially, the thing to think about when it comes to private 5G generally and Celona specifically is this is a solution for wireless connectivity of devices where Wi Fi just doesn't do it. Think about maybe you've got a huge factory or a distributed outdoor campus or something like that, and you really need connectivity, but it doesn't really make sense to run all the wires that wireless needs. And 5G technology solves a lot of those problems. Maybe you want to keep things private as well, and you want your own infrastructure that's not going to be competing for spectrum with Wi Fi in a city or something like that. That's really what Celona and private 5G is all about. And GDC Edge is Google's way of extending the cloud into industrial IoT and manufacturing settings. And if you think about those two things, suddenly maybe this announcement makes sense. Essentially, we've got two powerhouse technologies here for factories, hospitals, schools, all sorts of things like that, coming together in a way that makes a lot of sense. So, as for me, I have been watching Mobility Field Day, and I've been watching Celona, and I've just been wowed by this team. And I'm very, very excited to hear about this announcement because this is a whole new world, the world of edge computing. And these are some really cool technologies that fit in that space. I'll just give a little pitch here, too. We're going to have Celona presenting at Mobility Field Day. So if you're interested in this, check that out.